Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of a pecan pie and it is perfect. So it turned out almost like a non-keto pie. You can't taste the sweetener in this. As I always say, my husband loves desserts and he does eat sugar, and when he ate this pie he loved it. He thought it tasted like any other normal pie, and trust me, it is right now one of my favorite desserts. So you guys have to try it out. Let's go ahead and watch the recipe.
So let us start with the base of the pecan pie. 1.5 cup of almond flour, to which I have added 1/4 cup of monk fruit sweetener, and I have powdered it, which is very important because otherwise you'll get that grainy texture in your mouth. 1/4 cup of cold butter, but I'm going to microwave that, so I've put it in the microwave, and here I'm mixing the butter since it's melted now. And that crumbly thing, you want to put it on your pie pan and you're going to press it with your fingers, and trust me, it comes together. You will take it to the sides, which is what I'm doing here. You want to make sure that the bottom is thick because that's the mistake I made here, which you will see and I'll point out later. To make the bottom even, I'm using a bowl to flatten it even further. But our pie crust is ready now to go into the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm also poking some holes with the fork because that is going to prevent it from puffing up while cooking. Let's make the filling for the pecan pie. I have 3/4 cup of butter, to which I've added 1/2 cup of monk fruit sweetener, which I had powdered before, 3 eggs, and we're going to beat this up. Also a pinch of salt, but I have used salted butter, so I avoided using salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum is what I added, but I actually advise not adding that because then you will get that moist, lovely filling. Mine was slightly on the drier side, so that's the reason I want to advise you guys to omit that. And 1 cup of pecans. You can also add vanilla essence. I have run out of it, so I did not add it. It doesn't really make much of a difference.
So our mixture is ready, and this is the time to remind you guys, if you're liking the format of this channel, then subscribe to it, click the notification bell right next to it, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for the recipes you want to watch from me. If you want me to make the videos a little longer, you want me to chat with you guys, if there's some other format that you guys like, let me know about it.
So our pie crust is ready, and I'm going to pour our mix in this, and I'm going to even out some of the pecans because you want them to be evenly distributed. So I'm moving the pecans around a little bit, and now that they are set properly the way I want, I'm going to also put 1/2 cup more of pecans a little more beautifully and evenly to make it look good after it's baked. So I had held back 1/2 cup. You're using 1.5 cup total. If you don't want to do this, you can avoid this step by just adding all of the pecans right in the beginning. So there you are. It looks great, doesn't it? We are going to put it back in the oven now to bake for 45 to 50 minutes at the same temperature. Look at it, how beautiful it looks. The crust was flaky, it tasted delicious. I served it with some of my keto ice cream. It's a coconut cheesecake flavor. I'm going to share the recipe after this one, and stay tuned for that. It is absolutely delicious. It's actually a frozen custard.
So our pie is ready and it's cooling down. So I hope you guys like the recipe and will try it out for Christmas or because it's any other Tuesday. But if you do try it out, let me know in the comment section how it turned out. And also, if you click pictures, share them on my social media handles. I love to watch them. And that keto ice cream is definitely coming up soon. It's a cheesecake flavor, so stay tuned with this channel if you want to watch a lovely creamy keto ice cream to eat with your pecan pie. And thanks for watching. Bye.